Hey guys, this is Kyle with ServiComp, your computer tech guy. Again, if you like watching my videos and learning about technology and computer issues, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. So today I'm going to unbox the Fire Stick TV 4K. So I have a lot of these Fire Sticks and I like them. Interestingly enough, I think I got my first Fire Stick. These are called the smart devices, and I also did a little device about how to mirror your computer with the Amazon Fire Stick, but I figured I'd just do a little quick startup of doing a little unboxing and how to set it up, which is pretty easy, straightforward. But anyway, I used to own a Fire Stick. I believe it might have been a 2019 or 20. I can't believe it. Might have been a 2019. And the funny thing enough is that I usually keep up with my updates, and the one downstairs ironically end up doing the same software / firmware version as this newer one, which lets you pick your own username or user person that's using the smart device, which is great because then it could actually keep track of everything that you watch. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm gonna open it up. And I know there's a way to record the screen, and since it's a new device, I can't really do that because apparently you can just download a device app. And also there's other ways to kind of hack or crack your Amazon Fire Stick. I'm not going to do it with this one. I'm just going to go straight turkey with this one. And also you could use ExpressVPN to kind of trick streaming devices into changing like some of like the movies and TV shows that they show up depending on what country. So you could watch different movies in Japan if you had that set up in the VPN or etc. But anyway, it's a pretty easy setup. It connects to the HDMI, and I believe you do have to have it plugged into a power source, which is pretty important. So it comes with the cord, the USB, it's actually a normal USB B cord, and then it comes with the Fire Stick itself. If I can get it out of here. So it comes with a handy dongle, TV HDMI dongle, and it comes with the remote, and they're pretty much all standard. Just open it up and put the batteries in, pretty easy. And just pull the down. And I do have an Alexa, which is right here to the next. Alexa, so you can connect it to that and say, "Hey Alexa, blah blah blah, turn this on." So the reason why I needed a Fire Stick because I don't own a newer PlayStation or new video game system like a PlayStation 4 or 5. And with 3, you can't get the Disney. PlayStation 3, you can't get the Disney streaming. So I needed to get a Fire Stick, and they had an Amazon sale, so I wanted to get it. So this is the Fire Stick here, and let's see here. So it comes with the USB power cord, which is great. So I'll show you how to do this. Plug that in, and I'll just open it in the package. And this is the newest version, and it should say it's 4K, although it depends on your speed. And obviously I only get 20 gigabytes per download speed and only 1 megabyte per upload, so it's not that great. Anyway, you just plug that in, and you can plug this in to make it a little bit longer. Cool. Alrighty, and lift the camera up, see if I can do both. So I'm going to plug it into the plug cord back here. And hopefully you can see that. And then just plug it in the HDMI thing in the back here. My TV only has one HDMI cord, unfortunately, so I can't put... I guess I can put both in there. That's cool. So I'll just leave one in there. I'll put this one on top and the PlayStation 2 on the bottom. because I didn't realize there was two back there, which is cool. Alright, so that's in. And set up the camera. So with the Fire TV stick, I'll zoom out a little bit. HDMI 1, I believe. And it's making noise, which I'll change that out later, so it's connected to the audio in there, which might be a little annoying. So it's in Spanish. Oh no, it's not. So it goes through the system. You can just hit the enter button. And I think you can just hit the home button. I'll press play to start. So just press this button here. English. Now configure TV. It's really easy to set this thing up. To be honest, I don't even know why anyone would need help doing this, but I guess I'll just show you a little bit of features which I think is cool with it. And so I have it connected to an audio jack, and for some reason it's not working, so I may have to unplug that out and just play it from the TV, I think. What was that? I don't know what that was, but whatever. Anyway, I have it plugged into this TV jack in the back. You can't really see it, but it's an audio output jack, and I think it's making that noise because of the I'll have to look at that later. I think it's doing that noise because the PlayStation 3 is in there. And so I bought this EASYCEL digital to analog audio converter, so I connect it. So this part is connected to my speaker, which is found above, right there. And most of it's all old school. Most speakers don't use that. Usually it's Bluetooth with most things, but you plug that in, and then there's an input-output jack, an optical, and you just plug that together, and it should work. But I don't know why it does this sometimes with the system, where it makes that really annoying noise. So it's a coaxial input. Just plug that in there. It can connect with an SPDIF too, but right now it's updating. We'll let it update. So there's multiple Fire Stick type devices or smart TV devices. There's a Roku. I think there's one for Google Chromecast. Amazon. I like the Amazon one, and you could also use those to achieve what other streaming devices you want, to be honest. But I like the Amazon Fire Stick, and it's good because mine is not a Fire TV stick. Mine's not a Fire TV, so it makes it a Fire TV through the stick, meaning I could stream my mobile devices and stuff. It just takes time, really. And somehow it's already plugged into the internet. I don't know how that is. It's possibly because all my Fire Sticks are synced up along with my Echo Dot, so that could be it too. And I set it to PCM so it doesn't make that stupid noise. So I had it set to multi-channel, and I have it set to PCM, so it seems like maybe that might have fixed it. We'll see here. Alrighty, so it says welcome Travis Baylitz, because it's my brother's. We use his account. So if you have an Amazon, you probably do need an Amazon account. Amazon Prime, probably. So hit continue. So I'm already a Fire TV customer, so it's pretty much just going to restore everything. And I'm going to do it from the one upstairs. Because the one downstairs in the basement is the one that's good. The one that's kind of hijacked, if you can call it that. No parental controls. You just hit enter on here. It's pretty simple. So it's going to prepare the remote for the setup so I could do it with my TV. What kind of brand do I have? It's a Emerson, which I don't think. So you can just press up and down. Yeah, it's working. You can see it move. So it's cool. Alright, so now it's set up with the remote. It's pretty simple, you guys. Honestly, it doesn't take a rocket scientist unless you're not technology savvy. But nowadays, everything's required technology. Even if you're over 80, I think you should kind of know. No thanks. Guess let's say get started, but I think it should already download. I think I'm gonna hit back. We'll do it later. I believe it should already connect everyone. Yep, it's already there, guys. So I'll just go into mine, and this is already synced up from my other Fire Sticks, which is really neat. And now I think we have to wait till everything updates, which I don't think I'm gonna wait. But some neat little hack is you just go to the right, hit to the right on the remote, and you could go to. I always check these. You can go to settings. I think it's already on the network. I want to double check. Yeah, it's already connected to the network, and it takes a 5 gigahertz. So, routers have a 2.4 gigahertz, which is the older kind that only runs by 11 channels, and the 5 gigahertz runs by a lot more channels. I don't have the number in front of me right now. But anyway, I think everything is going to be updated by itself, so I'll let that go. But I want to go to My Fire TV and make sure everything's updated. You just go to My Fire TV in the menu system, hit About. I know a lot of people don't know about this. And downloading updates. So it's already doing it. So it's basically going to download everything that I need. And it's going to take a while. And I don't know if... Honestly, don't know if I need to have the screen record. Because other than that, that's all you need to do. That's how simple it is. And if you have your... if you already have multiple Fire Sticks, you don't need to reconnect them because it already automatically syncs up for your enjoyment, ready to plug and play, basically. So with that, it's going to update the system and it's going to let it go. So I think that's all I have to teach you guys today, and that's it. That's pretty quick. I did this, in like 22 minutes, but I'm going to speed this video up, and of course, it's really straightforward. So I think that's it with ServiComp, you guys. Here's me enjoying my Fire Stick and how to quickly set it up. Again, it seemed pretty cookie cutter, but I thought I'd just do this anyway, since I got my new Fire Stick TV, which is highly recommended of the streaming devices. And I think that's it. So if you like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay up for future updates. I'm gaining quite a huge following for my techie geekiness, so I really appreciate it. Thanks for joining me tonight, and I think that's it. Hopefully you also enjoy your Fire Stick as well. Take care.